YouTubers, this is Gravity Perseus 5000 here doing my second Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening. Right now I already opened this up because I was having a hard time trying to open it, so I had to cancel the video to do it. So this is the Warrior Strike box, the structure deck, and it was 40% off at the stores, 40%. That's pretty good, so I'm gonna just do this. Sorry, my mom's laughing, I don't know why. See, there she is again. Weird mom, weird mom. There, so finally got it open. Shiny pack. That is shiny, oh my gosh. It's shiny, I love shiny. So we're gonna open it. There. Got it opened. And the one on the front of it is Phoenix Gear Fried. Now, I was thinking about making a video of one of my packs I did where I got a Yu-Gi-Oh! Zexal. What you wouldn't really call it Yu-Gi-Oh! Zexal though, but it was Yu-Gi-Oh! XYZ. None of the XYZs. So right here we got the pad of it. Then we got the structure deck thing. Then we got the beginner's guide. So we're gonna open this up. She won't stop. My mom is weird, so that's what she says. There. Now what you're gonna do is now I gotta take it apart. Yay! Thinking about getting another Duelist pack collection. Not the one I did on my first video. It was one I haven't done yet on a video. Yeah. So right here I got an ultra rare. Awesome. Got an ultra rare Gemini. Got Phoenix Gear Fried. Nice. Then we got I think a secret rare or something, or no, super rare. Evocator Chevalier. And we got Featherizer. So that's pretty cool. So I've gotten 2 Geminis so far. Now we got Gemini Soldier. So we got these 3 other rares I've gotten in this pack right now. Gemini Soldier, Spell Striker, Free the Matchless General, Marauding Captain, Exiled Force, awesome card. Ooh, I got DD Warrior Lady, Card Trooper, Gemini Summoner. Oh, sorry, camera fell. And I got 2 Geminis, 2 of the same Geminis. Blazewing Butterfly, DD Warrior, Future Samurai, Field Commander Raz. Sorry, my it just closed. It just stopped. Got Dark Valkyria, Supervised Mind Control, Burden of the Mighty, Silent Doom, Hidden Armory, Nightmare Steel Cage, Mystical Space Typhoon, Akiboyo Drakmord, Enforcement of the Army, Big Bang Shot, Divine Sword, Phoenix Blade, Double Summon, Symbols of Duty, Swing of Memories, Unleash Your Power, Dark Bribe, Kune with Chain, Sakuretsu Armor, Soul Resurrection, Justy Break, Birthright, and Gemini Trap Hole. So I got a lot of cards. So watch out for the Yu-Gi-Oh! Real Life that I'm going to be doing. So I'm just putting everything in my bag right now. So this is Gravity Perseus 5000 signing off.